Hi, welcome to the session number 5, tutorial number 3, Rewards and Recognition. In this video, we are going to discuss rewards and recognition in terms of team building. Rewards and recognition. This is the time where you try to recognize the people by providing the right recognition and rewards. Tie your true productivity, the completion of tasks that actually matter, to some type of price. In project management, you know how to reward and praise your team when they deliver the results. Do the same for yourself. No one is so mature or self-motivated that they don't need positive reinforcement. When you see great things, when you see people do great stuff, when you see the project team achieve the set goals, do recognize them. Effective rewards satisfy the needs, respect cultural norms, and may be tangible or intangible. In rewards and recognition, some of the problems that I have observed personally is a biasness. When it's not done right, the team will start feeling that rewarding and recognizing is biased towards various situations. That will not help. Avoid any biased situations. Ensure that you pay sufficient attention to appreciate and recognize the good work. When it comes to the rewards and recognition, individual rewards may matter as well, but be careful in doing so, because if it's gonna be hugely deviated from certain people, it's gonna create a very tenseful situation in the project environment. However, recognizing the individuals will need to happen. Finding the right way is your choice. Some of the individual rewards that you can consider would be pay rise. So if you can give an increment, a significant one that improves the person's lifestyle, go for it. Another thing that you can look into is the promotions. But again, this needs to be something that everyone is agreed. Even the team members need to feel that the person who is given the promotion deserves it. Increased responsibility is another way of keeping the individuals motivated. I personally like this very much, because my observation tells me is that unless I go out of my comfort zone, take up new responsibilities, my growth is very limited. And also, providing more autonomy in making decisions will make the individuals happy, the teams happy. Public recognition is another technique that is used to recognize high-performing individuals. Applauding, appreciating them in public gatherings, showing some of the success stories in magazines and newsletters, the websites, etc., would make the individuals really, really excited. And also, the companies and the teams provide token of appreciation. People value these things. When these things are done right, you have a set of happy individuals who are working at their best. Team rewards. While we are trying to recognize individuals, it's quite important that we do identify the team success and reward the teams. Some of the things that you can do would be arranging special events. taking the team into a dinner, lunch, and offer them certain gifts. Public recognition. Again, if you can appreciate the teams, do so. Whether it's a newsletter, whether it's a magazine, whether it's a website, that plays a significant role in motivating the entire team. Enhance autonomy. Again, as a team, what is a team capable of? If you think the team can handle more responsibilities, the right thing would be to delegate such responsibilities, providing autonomy to make certain critical decisions. Particularly in agile setting, we talk about autonomy is a mandatory requirement. We don't believe in micromanagement. So even the traditional settings, autonomy is something that can motivate and empower the teams. As I mentioned just now, empowerment is another thing that you can look for. These are some of the things that will not cost you anything, but these things play a huge role in creating high-performing teams. Teams should be empowered to make certain critical decisions. And again, token of appreciation is valid for the teams as well. So if you do have certain observations about certain teams that these teams are doing outstanding, exceptionally well, do provide a token of appreciation for the team. Rewards mechanisms. Now it's very important to investigate the right mechanisms to reward and recognize people. As I mentioned earlier, if you don't do it right, rather than building motivated teams and individuals, that this may distract the people in your team. So finding the right mechanism is absolutely crucial. Different rewards appeal to different types of team members. Understanding what motivates the team members lead to effective recognition. Some may like monetary gains. Some may like professional status, quality of life, sense of achievement, and the list goes on.